From $200 to $1,500, these are the infrared saunas that actually make you sweat. I've tested 40 plus sauna brands, and today I'll show you what I'd buy with my own money in these price ranges. First up, we have a $200 heat wave from Amazon. If you look at my Amazon profile, you can see the portable tent sauna that I have used and recommended and bought for other people. Who it's for: absolute beginners, tight budgets, and maybe even renters. Why it's made the list: tiny footprint and standard outlet, 120 volt. What to watch out for: you gotta keep your distance from controllers. Yeah, you can stain the tent. The sweat will bleed into the fabric. It's cheaply made. It's not gonna last forever. And expect a lighter sweat than wooden saunas and dome saunas. Pair a 20 to 30 minute session with your favorite sauna detox binder and follow our protocol. Option number 2, a $350 DIY tent sauna from my course. Who it's for: the tinkerers who want more heat per dollar. Better heat retention versus most $200 Amazon tents. You control the spacing to lower temperature. Pros: upgrade path, customizable posture, and heater placement. You can stand up in it if you choose. Watch out for: build quality is on you. Follow the low VOC materials list, or you might find something in your sauna that off-gases. Best use: a space where you can leave it assembled, though you can disassemble it. It's really probably not desired. You'd have to put the tent poles together and disassemble them each time, which would take you some extra time. Option number 3 for $500 is the Durherm Amazon Portable Sauna Tent. You can find this also in my Amazon profile. Who it's for: value buyers who want sturdier than ultra budget portable sauna tents. Pros: better liner, better zipper longevity, steady temps once warmed. What to watch out for: still a tent, you have to be mindful of your seating distance and your coverage expectations. Best use: consistent 3 to 4 times a week users needing easy setup and tear down. You could easily store it away in a closet just like any other portable sauna tent. Number 4 for $900 is the One Love Sauna Dome. This is an entry model. They also have a premium model that's about $1,500 or $1,600. This is not that one. Who it's for: people chasing deeper, faster sweat on a regular outlet. Pros: dome geometry traps heat, fuller body sweat versus most tents, and it really warms up quickly. What to watch out for: storage and footprint. Stay centered in the dome when you're using it and route cables away from your torso. Best use: athletes, recovery days, compact home gyms. Number 5 is for $1,200, which is the Therasize 360 tent. I kind of hesitate to put this on the list, but we'll do it anyway. Why it's here: popular in its price range and heavily researched by buyers. Pros: brand awareness, zip-in design, lots of accessories. What to watch out for: my stance: marketing versus measurable low EMF, controller proximity, not my top pick given alternatives. If you consider it, focus on position and cable routing, compare side by side with a dome option or other portable sauna options in a lower or higher price range. Number 6, for $1,250, a LCTDSS mini sauna. It's an Amazon sauna, it's right here, we have it. I can't pronounce the brand name or say it or spell it for you to save my life. There's a link in the description or in the Facebook group. You can check it out. Please don't, I don't know what the brand is, I don't. Who it's for: tiny rooms, more enclosure than a tent, simple 120 volt plug and play outlet. Pros: compact footprint. It can feel hotter than flap style tents because it traps in all the heat and you don't have to stick your arms or head out through the zippers. What to watch out for: verify glues and adhesives depending on the brand that you buy. There are many of these sold on Amazon under different brand names. I think it's the same manufacturer, but maybe not. Can't figure it out. We tried to Google it. Purchase at your own risk. Confirm parts support and return window from the actual vendor. Best use: condos, office, corner installs, spare bedrooms. And for around $1,000, as far as wooden saunas go, this is going to be entry level. You can't really get a wooden sauna for any cheaper than this, especially not something that's super small and compact like a portable sauna. Number 7, $1,400 price range: the Life Pro Cozy with the add-on red light feature built into the front wall. Who it's for: shoppers who want a tidy unit with red light therapy bonus. Pros: cleaner finish versus budget tents, straightforward controls, and a decent sweat for the price. What to watch out for: treat built-in red light as a bonus. Do dedicated photobiomodulation at room temp for best results. Best use: general wellness users who value aesthetics versus convenience versus space constraints. If you can stretch a little bit over $1,500, you have the One Love Sauna Dome XL model, which is what you see in my Sauna Dome review video. Now, this is a lot bigger. It's very well made. You can tell by the stitching, the quality of the materials, everything is top notch, very low EMF. It's excellent for tall users and bigger folks, and you can still get your shoulders in and out and your arms when you lay down on the dome. Next on the list is a Life Pro Rejuvicure one-person wooden stand-up sauna, which is behind me here. This is in the $1,750 range if you use the Certified Sauna Community Group Buy discount, which is the coupon code you can find inside the Facebook group. Pros are entry-level wooden full height cabin, fuller immersion than tents. It's a head-in sauna. And be mindful of competitors' adhesives and glues. This is a relatively clean sauna, not super low EMF, has good ventilation, and plug and play on a standard outlet. Great option, great heat coverage, we're a fan. Most of these saunas are relatively low VOC, except for a few of the nylon portable saunas. Most of them air out if you give them a chance. Although when you first unbox them, if they've been wrapped in styrofoam and plastic, cellophane, anything like that, they will hold the smell for a little while. So for under $1,500 and testing a gazillion saunas, these are the best options that I've found within this price range. Obviously, if you check out the YouTube channel, we've got more premium stuff that's thousands of dollars. But the cool thing is we pull from that experience and show you which features actually matter, things that you wouldn't think of. For instance, a sauna that's $200 more than this doesn't have a control panel on the outside. Not a make or break deal breaker, but it is nice to have the option for a digital readout on the inside and the outside. If you've never heard of this brand, you could spend more money and not even get a feature like this. So in these videos, we try to bring you the best of the best within your set budget. We'll see you in tomorrow's video.